In this video, we are going to talk about the different ways from where you can earn money, or we can say that as a freelancers, how you can earn money from different websites or from different methods. Open the Google Chrome and search at online ways to earn money. Online marketing made easy. Make the best use of your money when you show ads to the relevant customers searching for you. Make better use of your money when you advertise to the relevant audience searching for you. Online marketing made easy to sell your products and to promote your websites. Let's see some other articles present at the Google. Source, play, game, earn money. Traditional sourcing brought online, find quality products and contact verified suppliers, reduce cost with factory direct sourcing. This means you can earn by playing games. Let's see some other articles. Low income assistance, ways of getting money, finds way of getting money, 21 ways to earn $100 every day online. This is very important article. This article was published at 22 April 2019. In this article you will see that 28 different ways from which you can earn online money. We will check this article in a detail later. Let's see some other articles. 40 easy ways to make money quickly. This article was published at 3rd Feb 2021. Get paid to the sites coins similar to making money from online. 28 realistic ways to make online money. This article was published at 15 December 2020. How to make online money. 28 real ways to earn money online. 20 ideas to make money online. These includes article marketing, writing press releases, forum posting, blog posting, submitting your site to directories and search engines. Earn money online. How to earn money online. The Economic Times. This article was published at 11th August 2018. How to earn money online. 10 ways to earn money online. How to earn money online. Ways to make. This article was published as 11th August 2018. Freelancing has always been a popular way to earn money online and internet has several options. 12 best websites to make online money. In this article you will see the different websites from where you can earn online money. 11 real ways to make money online in 2021. This article was published as 20th January 2021, and in this article you will see the 11 different ways to earn online money. There are some other videos, you can also check them and also see the related searches. Let's check that article. This one, 21 ways to earn $100 every day by online money. Let's check the all 21 ways. This article was written by Jeff Ross. Let's see which methods he shared with us. 21 ways to make $100 or more from online money. The first option is Google AdSense. You can earn from Google AdSense by monetizing your websites or by monetizing your blogging sites or by monetizing your YouTube channels. The second one is text links. You can also from text links. If you do not know about text links, then you can search about it. The third one is sponsored pages, and the fourth one is affiliate marketing, and the next is display ads. Display ads are very similar to Google AdSense except that the reader doesn't have to click on the ads. And the second one is freelance writing. Freelance writing is another way to earn online income if you don't mind earning some of your money with active work. And other benefit of freelance writing is that you can gain money from it. Getting new clients from your business. You can read this article in a detail. And the second one is coaching. The next one is selling leads. Another way is digital products. You can earn by selling your digital products. The next one is online courses. If you deliver a good work and your product is high quality, then you can earn a lot from your online courses. You can earn from investment gains. The next way to earn online money is peer-to-peer lending. And other is crowdfunding, real estate investment, social shares, selling stuff online. Another way to make money online is by selling your products at different Facebook groups or at the YouTube or some other websites. You can also earn by sell a physical product. You can also earn by YouTube advertisements. YouTube is the best source to earn money online. A person can make $5,000 to $6,000 per month. Earning from YouTube advertisement is so easy, you have to just on your ads. Another way is buying and selling websites. You can also earn by selling your websites. And other one is brand sponsors, and next one is book or ebook. Hope you like the video. If you like this video, then tell me in the comment box, and please subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. You can also check some other articles present on the Googles, and you can also check how to earn online money without investment. There are many valuable articles present at the Google. Alternative investment online businesses focuses on creative content, earn $17 to $65 per hour, make money online. There are also some videos, you can also check them. Earn money online without investment by clicking ads jobs. This is very important. Let's check these articles. Earn money online without investment by clicking ads job. There are a lot of ads present in this website. You can see them, and if you can do any of the job, then you contact the advertisers and you can earn by completing his task. I am looking for a Google Ads expert. Hello, I am looking for an advertiser who can advertise my websites in Google Ads. You can do jobs according to your skills. If you know how to make a website, then do that work, and if you know how to make a Google advertisement in a better way, then you do that job. Hello, I am looking to hire a developer and digital goods sellers for my websites. Someone needs digital goods sellers for his websites. You can see all other jobs. Hope you like the video. If you like it, then please share it with your friends and subscribe my channel, and tell me in the comment box how you feel while viewing my video.